Have you ever tried marketing something and then just really not been able to get the results that you wanted? Well, I'm about to share with you the key to successful marketing. And this is what most businesses fail to understand. You could download more information and free resources at findmyprofits.com. But let's get started. The key to successful marketing. You must be able to enter the mind of your prospects. Kind of like being a mind reader. It should become to no surprise that in order to do that, you need to know who your prospects are. That's why it's important to have a target audience and know your prospects inside and out. You know their background, their demographics, their psychographics. You know who they are, what makes them tick. Because once you're able to enter the mind of your prospects, you can start to addressing the number one question on your prospect's mind at the right time. Now that's important to know. It's got to be at the right time. If you catch someone who's a good prospect at the wrong time, it really doesn't make a difference. You got to catch them at the right time. That's why advertising and marketing must be consistent. It must be ongoing. So people may see things at different times and they actually resonate at the time that they can take some sort of action. Now this next point is really important. So write this down. There's a conversation that's taking place in every prospect's mind. It revolves around two major points. Number one, there's a problem that they have and that they don't want. They're in some sort of pain. They have some sort of uncomfort. They want to move away from pain, right? Or there's a result that they want and they don't have. They have a desire. They want something. That's how people are motivated to take action. They're either in pain, this is not good, I want to get out of it, or they have a desire. Ooh, I really want that. If you can get people to understand how you can resolve the pain or give them the thing that they desire, that's how they're going to take action. And the more passionate about those pains or desires, the more likely your marketing is to succeed. And we can follow a 3-step approach to make sure that you're on point in order to get that marketing out there and make it effective. Number one, like we said before, you need to know who your market is. Who is your market? What is their background? What are their likes? People are going to respond to messages completely different depending on their background. If they're a man or a woman, if they're young or old, if they are affluent or they're borderline poverty, all these different things, their likes, their dislikes, are going to change how they're going to perceive a message. And the tonality and what is communicated needs to be positioned to make sure that matches the market. It's the message that needs to be on point. You can't craft a compelling message that really resonates with your market if you don't define them clearly of who they are. What is that message? Are you putting a message out there that is compelling, that is communicating of how you're going to solve their pain in the way that they can relate to? Are you communicating a message that is attention grabbing, that will help them understand what they can do to achieve the desire that they want? Writing a compelling message is really a critical part of successful marketing. And last but not least, you need to have the right media. If you know your market, you have a great message, that's wonderful. You need to put it out there on a regular basis. But you got to put it in the right place. If you're targeting the young demographic, maybe newspapers is not the way to go. So you got to have that alignment with your market, your message, and your medium to really attract and get the marketing to be successful. When you put these in alignment, that is how you're going to achieve results. Now, if you want some more strategies that you can use and some tools, resources, some templates that you can follow along to help you craft your message, amplify your business by claiming your free resources at findmyprofits.com. Just go to findmyprofits.com and get a free copy of my book, Amplify Business Breakthroughs, plus additional resources that will help you grow your profits to new levels and heights.